You know the feeling. You're in a conversation, but something feels off. The vibe in the room just shifts, and you walk away replaying every word, wondering what you missed. What if the answer isn't about trying harder to be liked, but about using ancient wisdom to see things clearly? The Stoics knew that real confidence doesn't come from getting everyone to like you. It comes from understanding them without letting it shake you. They taught that you can't control what people think. That's their business. But how you perceive it and how you respond, that's 100% in your control. In this video, we're blending these timeless secrets with modern body language analysis to decode the hidden signs of dislike. This isn't about becoming paranoid. It's about becoming perceptive, so you can respond not with anxiety, but with unshakable calm. First up, the most honest part of the body isn't the face, it's the feet. Seriously. When you're talking to someone, glance down and see where their feet are pointed. If they're aimed at the door or any other exit, that person unconsciously wants to leave. They can be smiling, nodding, and looking right at you. But if their feet are pointing away, their subconscious is already halfway out the door. So how do you handle that? The average mind feels that sting of rejection, but a Stoic mindset sees it differently. It's not rejection, it's just information. As Marcus Aurelius taught, the key is to observe without adding a dramatic story to it. You see the feet pointing away, and you register it not as, they hate me, but as, their attention is wanted elsewhere. You don't get needy or try harder to win them over. You stay calm, recognize they need to go, and gracefully end the conversation yourself. You control your own dignified exit. Next, watch for people putting up barriers. When someone feels uncomfortable or defensive, they will subconsciously place objects between you and them. It could be their coffee cup, a purse, a notebook, or the classic, crossed arms. It's a primal instinct to create a bit of physical and psychological space. An invisible wall that says, just a little space here. Leaning away or taking a small step back does the same thing. It's a nonverbal retreat. Instead of getting offended, see it as a signal of their inner state, not a verdict on your worth. Their discomfort is theirs, not yours. Epictetus said that it's not events that disturb us, but our judgments about them. That barrier isn't a personal attack, it's just a sign of their unease. The calm response is to stay open in your own posture. You don't have to mirror their closed-off vibe. You just notice it, give them the space they're asking for, and carry on without absorbing their defensiveness. If this blend of ancient wisdom and modern psychology is clicking for you, then take a second to subscribe. You'll be joining a community that isn't just learning social tricks, but is building a real foundation of inner strength and self-mastery. The eyes and the smile might be called the windows to the soul, but sometimes the curtains are drawn. A real, genuine smile, called a Duchenne smile, involves the eyes. You see the crinkles at the corners. A fake polite smile is just the mouth, and it often looks tight or strained. It's a social mask. Pair that with an averted gaze, and you have a classic combo. A lack of eye contact isn't always shyness. It's often a clear sign of discomfort, disinterest, or a desire to avoid any real connection. When you see that forced smile or someone avoiding your eyes, your gut reaction might be, what did I do wrong? A Stoic approach asks a better question. What does this tell me about their state of mind? Maybe they're distracted, having a rough day, or feeling insecure. Marcus Aurelius put it brilliantly when he said, essentially, that you can't expect the world to be free of shameless people, so don't ask for the impossible. The same goes for disinterest. You can't demand that everyone like you. So when you see that empty smile, don't let it steal your peace. Respond with your own genuine, calm presence. Your value isn't tied to their gaze. Look, reading these signs isn't about becoming a mind reader so you can win everyone over. That's an exhausting and impossible game to play. The real goal is to navigate your social world with clear eyes so you can protect your own inner peace. The feet point away, the arms cross, the smile doesn't reach the eyes. These aren't personal failures. They are simply data points. The true power isn't in decoding other people. It's in mastering yourself so that their approval becomes a nice to have, not a need to have. Observe, understand, and then let it go. Focus on what you actually control. Your own actions, your own integrity, your own peace of mind. That's how you build a type of confidence that no awkward conversation or subtle slight can ever shake. Because a man who is at peace with himself doesn't need the whole world to be at peace with him. Thanks for being here with the Stoic Quotient.